Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Shukto. It is a traditional Bengali recipe that is typically served at the start of a meal with hot steamed rice. It has a slightly bitter taste and some medicinal value. Let's get started. Take one raw banana, a small portion of raw papaya, a medium-sized sweet potato, it is optional, one medium-sized potato, one small size brinjal, 7 to 8 flat beans, 2 small size karela, that is bitter gourd, 2 drumsticks, and 7 to 8 urad dal bori, that is sun-dried urad dal dumplings. Now we have to make a special masala called Shukto masala. For that, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of radhuni, that is wild celery, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds are required. Make a powder mixture of all these spices and store it in a airtight container. Now take 2 tablespoons of this Shukto masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of maida and half cup of milk. Let's make a paste of it and keep it aside. Take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a hot karai. First fry the bori until golden brown. Next, fry the karela until it becomes crispy. Then slightly fry the drumstick. And the brinjal simultaneously. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Again add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in the hot karai and add half teaspoon of panchforan. When a nice aroma comes out, make the flame medium. Add the sliced potato and fry for some time. Then add raw papaya to it and fry for a while. Add sweet potato and cook for some time. Now add the raw banana to it and fry for some time. Lastly, add flat beans and fry. When all the vegetables are nicely fried, add 1 teaspoon of salt and fried drumsticks. Now add 2.5 cup of hot water. When it starts boiling, add previously fried bori, brinjal and karela. Cover it with a lid and make the flame low. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes until the vegetables are soft enough. Now open the lid and add the previously prepared masala paste and 2 teaspoons of sugar. As Shukto is slightly bitter, adding of sugar is a must. Cover it with a lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee after opening the lid. Switch off the flame, give a standing time of 5 minutes, serve it with a hot steamed rice. If you enjoy the video, Do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new video. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.